like never before. Engage with characters who feel like old friends and journey with them through trials, triumphs, and timeless adventures. Let our tales be the perfect escape from the ordinary. Lose yourself in stories that transcend time and space, offering a magical retreat. Each story in our collection is a testament to the power of imagination. They inspire, entertain, and leave a lasting impact on your heart and mind. Delight in tales that spark joy and wonder. Our stories are not just words on a page, they are experiences waiting to be lived. Join us in celebrating the art of storytelling. Discover tales that ignite your passion for reading and keep you coming back for more. Experience the magic of storytelling.